The answers are this anchor, the prefix has got to be one character, the A. This anchor, we can't cover another anchor, so it's got to be 0. This anchor, we can include this if we want, but we can't go on to the other anchor, so it's 0 to 1. And here, we got to include the D, but nothing else, so it's 1. Now, there's one more thing about anchors I want to cover, which is how we deal with the words in the other direction. So for these 5 anchors, there are no letters in the other direction, and so these are completely unconstrained. And we say that any letter can go into those spots. But in these 2 anchors, there's adjacent letters. And it would be okay, we can form a word going in this direction, but we can do that only if we can also form a word going in this direction. And let's say there are no more, this is either the edge of the board or the next row is all blanks. Then we can say, well, what letters can go here? Only the letters that form a word when the first letter is that word and the second letter is U. And in our dictionary, it turns out that that possibility is a set of letters M, N, and X. So MU, NU, and XU are all words in our dictionary, believe it or not. Scrabble dictionaries are notorious for having 2- and 3-letter words that you've never heard of. And similarly here, what are 2-letter words that end in Y? It's the set MOAB, and you've probably heard of most of those. So when we go to place words on a particular row, we can pre-compute the crosswords and make that be part of the anchor. What we're going to do is have a process that goes through, finds all the anchor points, and finds all the sets of letter, whether it's any letter for these 5 anchors, or whether it's a constrained set of anchor letters for these 2 anchors. Sounds complicated, but we can make it all work. And let me say that once you've got this concept, the concept of the anchor sets and the crosswords, then basically we're done. We've done it all. We can handle a complete board no matter how complicated, and we can get all the plays. It's just a matter of implementing this idea and then just fleshing it out.